Ever wondered about that powdery, waxy coating on some plants or fruits? That's called a glaucous surface. Let's explore. The term glaucous describes a distinct bluish gray or whitish sheen, a delicate layer that can often be rubbed off. Join us as we delve into where we find this unique feature, why it exists, and its fascinating natural roles. Many succulents, like echeverias, showcase stunning glaucous coatings, contributing to their beauty and resilience in arid climates. Think of fresh plums or grapes. That natural powdery bloom is a perfect example of a glaucous layer, protecting the fruit. Even common vegetables like cabbage and kale often have glaucous leaves, which you might have noticed in your garden. Eucalyptus leaves are famously glaucous, giving them their characteristic silvery blue appearance, especially on younger foliage. Some conifer needles, like those of blue spruce, also possess a glaucous coating, contributing to their distinctive color. From desert dwellers to forest trees, the glaucous trait appears across a wide array of plant species, each uniquely adapted. So what creates this glaucous look? It's primarily due to epicuticular waxes, microscopic crystals on the plant's surface. These waxes form intricate, often complex, three-dimensional structures like rods, tubes, or platelets, scattering light. This microscopic architecture is what scatters light, giving the surface its characteristic matte, bluish, or whitish appearance. Because these wax structures are delicate and sit on the surface, the glaucous layer can often be easily rubbed away. A key benefit is water repellency. Water droplets bead up and roll off, cleaning the surface, much like the lotus effect. In arid environments, this waxy layer helps plants reduce water loss by minimizing transpiration, conserving precious moisture. The glaucous coating can also reflect harmful ultraviolet radiation, protecting the delicate plant tissues underneath from sun damage. For some plants, the waxy surface can deter herbivores or make it difficult for small insects to grip or feed. This barrier can also prevent fungal spores or bacteria from settling and infecting the plant, acting as a physical defense. By reflecting more sunlight, the glaucous layer can help keep the plant cooler in hot, sunny conditions. While common in plants, glaucous also describes similar appearances in the animal kingdom, particularly in birds. The glaucous gull, for instance, gets its name from the pale grayish tinge of its wingtips and back. Some dragonflies also exhibit a powdery, bluish coating called pruinescence, functionally similar to glaucousness in plants. In these animals, such coatings can offer protection, aid thermoregulation, or play roles in species recognition or display. So glaucous isn't just a color, it's a fascinating natural adaptation, a delicate waxy shield with many vital roles. Next time you see that powdery bloom, take a moment to appreciate this subtle yet significant marvel of nature's design.